Welcome back. Helping people with bench warrants find solutions. That's what a safe surrender event is all about. And here to help us understand what is happening with that is the Administrative Director of the Courts, Mr. Carl Reifstack. Carl, it is great to have you with us.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
Absolutely. So right now, on the basics, let's kind of give folks at home a little bit of background on what this is all happening with this.
Right. So we have an event Saturday, tomorrow, in Española. Anyone with an active bench warrant from around the state can come into magistrate court and get favorable consideration from our judges. And the goal here really is just, let's get folks out of the criminal justice system. Let's not keep cycling through, especially on low-level traffic offenses. We know folks are busy. Maybe you missed a court date. Maybe you missed paying your fee or your fine, excuse me, on a traffic ticket. Let's get you back on track and stop that from hanging over your head.
Absolutely. And so, I mean, it may be fear or other things that may have prevented somebody from saying, okay, well, I did let it lapse and I don't want to be pursued by law enforcement with a warrant. So this is the way to kind of get it resolved.
This is the way to do it.
Okay.
We'll have the public defenders on hand. Law Office of the Public Defender is a wonderful partner with us on this. We really appreciate them. They'll be out there to offer free advice to anybody with a warrant. Also, if you're not able to make it in person or you're concerned about making it in person, you can call our statewide toll-free number and be able to talk to somebody, get scheduled for a hearing that way.
Is this essentially like a no questions asked kind of thing, or is it that they're finally getting it resolved? Or?
Well, you have the opportunity to come in and talk with a judge. We'll
Okay.
have 3 magistrate judges on hand, and they give what we call favorable consideration.
There we go.
Right, here you are coming in on your own, and so the judge is going to look very favorably on that. I can't guarantee any outcome. That's up to the judge, but we have these events. They're very successful around the state.
Sure. And so, I mean, there might be still some concern that somebody might say, well, I came for getting it resolved. Should they still maybe worry about a possible arrest? Again,
I can't guarantee the outcome,
Sure.
but the goal here is really get folks
Sure.
out of the system. And anybody with a concern, call our number and get set up that way.
Okay.
And we can get this taken care of.
It's always about taking that first step, and that's why it's almost like it's considered like a safe kind of essentially.
That's exactly right. We want to have this, stop this from hanging over folks' heads. You got a traffic case, an old traffic case that's hanging out there. You're driving around. You're always a little bit nervous. Let's not have that weighing on you.
So when folks show up, I mean, is there paperwork that they need to bring with them, or obviously your ID, but anything else?
Right, just bring yourself.
Okay.
We have a wonderful staff of folks. Folks are coming down from the magistrate court in Chama. We have the magistrate court staff from Española. My staff from Santa Fe, Albuquerque, and Las Cruces will be there. We'll have a wonderful assortment of folks to help you, so just please show up. No need to worry about bringing anything in particular.
Sure. Okay. And this is something that the judiciary has been implementing or trying to work into the schedule of time, correct?
Yeah, that's right. We have a series of these around the state every
Okay.
year. We had a few down in the southern part of the state last year, so now we've moved more north for our first one this year, and it's really part of our access to justice efforts. Really reach out to folks, make it easy to get to court and resolve what you need to resolve.
All right. Is it first come, first serve, or is it do you have to register ahead of time?
No need to register,
Okay.
just show up. Any questions, call our number.
All right. Well, we sure appreciate you coming out, Carl. Thank you so much
Okay,
for joining
thank
us.
you.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it.